Hey there, welcome to another video. I'm actually going to extend my hyperlinking video. In that one, I mentioned that there were two kind of main hyperlinks that you can do, and it's usually the ones people get started with, which is hyperlinking to another file and hyperlinking to a website. But they're obviously not all of them, right? So I'm going to do the others just to show you other capabilities, right? So if I'm going to go in here, I'm just going to type in new file. Right. The other one I'm going to say let's say sheet 2, and the third one I'm going to do is new email. Okay, so some added features. So if I go to new file and I go to link, and I can click in, where is it? So on create new document, and yeah, right, we'll save it to my OneDrive. Edit the document. Okay, and the name of the new document is let's just say new submission, right? So let's say it's like a submission form that you have to do, and then we go OK. If I click on this, let me get out of it first. Hang on, I did it up too quickly. So if I click on this, go yes, it's going to create that new file for me in the place that I said to create it. Okay, so that's one cool feature. The second one is, let's say I have like different sheets or different places in the actual workbook, within this workbook, that I want to guide someone to. So for example, let's say I have sales over 4 years, and I have the numbers 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017 at the very top. You can make those a hyperlink so that when someone goes, show me 2014, it'll take them to that location on your spreadsheet. Okay, so the way to do that is, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go back to link. And instead of create a new document, we're going to go place in this document, and you tell it where. So I'm going to go sheet 2, and position is going to be, let's say, B2, and we go OK. So now when I click this, it's going to take me to that sheet. Okay, so now I'm on sheet 2. Okay, let's go back to sheet 1. And the last one is new email. So go ahead and click that. Let's go link. Let's go email address. And the email address is going to be, let's say, just my email. So info.ed, right? And the subject is, let's just say new. Okay, and we just press OK. Now if I use this, it's going to open whatever my standard, hang on, click, and there we go. Just takes a little while. If you have Outlook, which most people will have, use Outlook, I believe it depends on what your default mail service is. So if you're using the Apple Mail, right, if you got a MacBook, or what's the other ones, like Google Mail, that kind of stuff, then it'll use your respective one. All right, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed. So I'll see you next time.